Guys, if your stop loss keeps getting hit over and over again, chances are you're entering trades without enough precision. If you want to improve your trading accuracy and start taking higher probability setups, then this video is for you. Remember, the more accurate your entries are, the more consistent your profits can become. Let's break down exactly how to trade smarter, not harder. In today's video, we're combining 3 of the most powerful trading concepts to give you stronger trade confirmation, and stronger confirmation leads to higher accuracy. Those 3 concepts are price action, Fibonacci, and smart money concepts, SMC. When you learn how to combine them the right way, you'll start spotting high probability setups with much more confidence. That means better entries, fewer unnecessary stop-loss hits, and more consistent results. Now, let's break it down step by step and see exactly how to use all 3 together. On this chart, the market has just broken above the previous high, confirming a clear break of structure, BOS. That means we can mark this swing as a valid higher low. As you can see, the market is creating a series of higher highs and higher lows, with multiple bullish breaks of structure. As long as this market structure remains intact, our focus is only on looking for buying opportunities. We won't consider selling unless we see a confirmed change of character, CHoCH. Next, the market makes a small pullback and prints a bullish confirmation candle. But here's the real question. Does this pullback qualify as a valid setup? Is this enough confirmation for price to continue moving higher, or is there something important we're still missing? Let's find out. To answer that question, let's bring in the Fibonacci tool. We'll draw the Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high. Right away, we can see that this pullback is very shallow. Price hasn't even retraced 30% of the move, which means it's still a minor pullback. According to our Fibonacci rules, it's better to wait for a deeper retracement before looking for a buy entry. There's another reason to stay out of this trade. If we entered here, price would be running into a recent resistance level that formed just ahead. There's a good chance the market could react or reject from that area. So we have 2 strong reasons to avoid this setup. First, the Fibonacci retracement isn't deep enough to qualify as a valid pullback. Second, price action shows a nearby resistance that could stop the move. When multiple factors don't align, the smartest decision is to stay patient and wait for a higher probability setup. Next, the market makes a much deeper pullback and prints a bullish confirmation candle. When we apply the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that price has pulled back to the 0.50 level before showing bullish confirmation. The 0.50 and 0.618 Fibonacci levels are considered the Golden Zone. When a bullish signal appears in this area, it often provides a solid buying opportunity. However, waiting a little longer can give us an even higher probability setup. Right now, this is a good trade, but it's not a high accuracy trade yet. Yes, price can absolutely rally from the Golden Zone, and based on Fibonacci alone, a buy setup is valid. But that's only one part of the analysis. We also need to see what price action is telling us. Inside this pullback, the market has started forming lower lows and lower highs, which means the internal structure is still bearish. On top of that, a bearish trend line is also controlling the pullback. If we want high accuracy entries, patience is the key. Instead of buying immediately, we should wait for price to break above that bearish trend line. Once the trend line breaks and bullish momentum returns, we'll have much stronger confirmation for a high probability trade. Next, price breaks above the bearish trend line and then pulls back to retest it. If we get a bullish confirmation candle at this retest, it becomes a high accuracy trade setup. But why? Let's break it down. First, from a Fibonacci perspective, this pullback lands right inside the Golden Zone, which is one of the strongest areas to look for potential buy entries. Now let's look at price action. The trend line that was acting as resistance has now turned into support after the breakout. At the same time, the previous horizontal resistance is also acting as a new support level. This gives us multiple layers of technical confirmation. Finally, let's bring in smart money concepts. At this location, we have a bullish order block, and right above it there's also a fair value gap, FVG. When Fibonacci, price action, and smart money concepts all align at the same level, and price prints a strong bullish rejection candle, that's the kind of confluence that creates a high probability, high accuracy trading opportunity. Those are the setups that professional traders wait for, instead of chasing every move. Next, we get a bullish candle, but the following candle only breaks its high with a wick, not with a strong body close. That's not enough confirmation, so we stay patient. We wait for a candle to close above that high with its body. On the very next candle, the market does exactly that. It closes above the previous candle's high with a strong bullish body. Now everything lines up perfectly. From a price action perspective, we have a valid buy confirmation. From a Fibonacci perspective, price is reacting from the Golden Zone. And from a Smart Money Concepts SMC perspective, price has tapped into the fair value gap while respecting the order block below it. All three concepts are giving the exact same signal, a buy. This is what we call a high accuracy trade setup. We can enter the trade here, place our stop loss below the low of the confirmation candle, set our first target at the next key resistance level, and then trail the remaining position as the trend continues. As expected, price moves in our favor and reaches our profit target. This wasn't luck. It was the result of waiting for multiple high-probability confirmations to align. The trade had a much higher chance of succeeding because price action, Fibonacci, and smart money concepts were all pointing in the same direction. On top of that, we were trading with the overall bullish trend, which added even more confidence to the setup. That's exactly how you should combine these three concepts. Once you stop relying on a single signal and start trading only when all three align, your entries become cleaner, your stop loss gets hit less often, and your trading accuracy can improve dramatically. Now here's an important difference in execution. Many experienced smart money concept SMC traders will place a buy order as soon as price taps the fair value gap, FVG. They'll enter directly in that zone and place their stop loss just below the order block. In our example, we didn't do that. We waited for a bullish rejection candle before entering the trade. So, what's the difference? The main difference is the risk-to-reward ratio. By waiting for confirmation, our risk-to-reward ratio becomes slightly smaller. In this setup, it was still greater than 1-to-1, while an aggressive SMC entry from the FVG could have offered around a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. However, if you're a beginner, I don't recommend buying directly from an FVG or order block without confirmation. Waiting for a strong rejection candle at a key price action level or an SMC zone gives you much higher confidence that buyers are actually stepping in. Yes, your risk-to-reward ratio may be slightly lower because you're entering later, but in return, your trade accuracy improves significantly. And for most beginners, higher accuracy is far more valuable than chasing the biggest possible risk-to-reward ratio. Now let's look at another example, this time in a bearish market. The market has just broken below the previous swing low, confirming a clear break of structure, S, to the downside. Even before this, price was consistently creating lower lows and lower highs, which confirms that the overall trend is bearish. Since the market direction is bearish, our focus should be on finding selling opportunities only. Next, the market makes a pullback, and right at this level, we get a strong bearish confirmation candle. From a price action perspective, the previous support has now flipped into resistance, giving us a valid reason to look for a sell entry. Now let's check Fibonacci. The pullback reaches the 0.50 Fibonacci level, which sits inside the Golden Zone. In other words, price is rejecting from one of the strongest retracement areas. Finally, from a smart money concepts SMC perspective, there's also a fair value gap FVG at this location, adding another layer of confluence. With price action, Fibonacci and SMC all pointing in the same direction, we have a high probability sell setup. We can enter the trade here, take partial profits around 50% at the first target, and trail the remaining position as the move continues. However, here's an important lesson. Even though this was a high accuracy setup, our stop loss was hit before price eventually moved lower. Why? Because the stop loss was placed too tight. A high probability setup doesn't guarantee that price will move in your favor immediately. Markets often make small liquidity grabs before continuing in the expected direction. That's why your stop loss should always allow enough room for normal market volatility instead of being placed too close to your entry. The key takeaway is this: analyze every chart carefully, wait for multiple confirmations, and don't rely on a single signal. When price action, Fibonacci, and smart money concepts align, you'll consistently find higher quality trade setups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more trading education, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.